Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, February 10th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please make sure you post today's attendance. Also, make sure you're going back and changing those absences that need to be changed. Teachers, also please make sure you are syncing your grades in Schoology to PowerSchool. We are well into the third quarter, almost halfway, or at least halfway. So please make sure that you have several grades in your PowerSchool. This needs to be done at least every week, but also a great idea to do it each time you enter grades. Today's late duty is Miss Washam, and tomorrow is Miss Wolf. Important dates. So today is the last day for the calendar voting. You can do that in the teacher workroom. Wednesday, February 16th is the Alabama Course of Study PD during extended PE. Monday, February 21st is a faculty meeting that is necessary for you to attend. That will be ACAP training. February 25th, students may wear jeans and a school-appropriate Mardi Gras colored t-shirt for a $2 donation to the United Way campaign. Also, February 28th through March 2nd, there's no school for Mardi Gras break. We have some important February dates. February is African American History Month. February 7th through 11th is National School Counseling Week. This week we are celebrating Miss Pate, our school counselor. February 11th is International Day of Women and Girls in Science. February 17th is Random Acts of Kindness Day. February 21st through 25th, Public Schools Week, and February 23rd, School Bus Driver Appreciation Day. So as we have been highlighting each day, February is Black History Month, and so we have another guest speaker with us today. Today we have Thomas Pugh, so he is going to share with us a passage that was written and read by himself, Thomas Pugh, from Miss Heichman's class, and he is going to share with us about Rosa Parks.
Rosa Parks was born on February 4th, 1913, and died on October 24th, 2005. Rosa Parks helped the United States by initiating the Civil Rights Movement, but she didn't give up her seat on a bus to a white man. Her actions inspired leaders of the local black community to organize a bus boycott. The United States honored her as the First Lady of Civil Rights.
Good job, Thomas. Thanks for sharing with us about Rosa Parks. Today's word of the day is dividend. A dividend is a number that is divided by another number. So when we're doing some long division, it is the number inside the house. Usually, the dividend is the larger number that we're dividing into smaller pieces. Dividend is a number that is divided by another number. Okay, we have a red alert. BOLO! We need your help. The David stuffed animal from the library has gone missing. David has always been a little mischievous, so there's no telling what he's gotten into, but we need him returned to the library immediately. Please help David get home. So if you see the David stuffed animal that was displayed in the library, or if you happen to know where he has wandered off to, please return him to the library. Thank you very much. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.